I'm going home to Palau for Christmas, for the holidays, to the island ways. I'm going home to
Ali, Ali, Ali. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at WCTC with their hard-to-miss Christmas lights and those candy canes and golden lanes aglow. The weather outside is certainly frightful with this heat wave and random rainy storms. But anyways, hello everyone. I'm your host, KT Delano, and without further ado, let's dive into this show's lineup. Let's start our lineup with a little festivities. MDN Art Studios is celebrating this holly jolly Christmas with Holly Jolly Grams. Let us have a look at that spectacular flyer. MDN Art Studio is giving you Holly Jolly Grams. Get into the holiday spirit with our $7 Christmas candy bags. Each bag includes a mix of the good candy and chocolate and exclusive Palauan-themed Christmas stickers designed by the one and only MDN Art Studio. Perfect as gifts, stocking stuffers, or holiday treats. Don't miss it! They also have special offers with a buy 3 and get 3 free stickers, buy 5 for $30, and buy 7 and get 5 free stickers plus custom designs. They also offer deliveries on December 9th to the 13th and December 16th to the 20th. Deliveries in Kodor are free, and for IRI, it's an extra fee of $2. Order yours today before they sell out. So for orders and inquiries, you can text 775-2959 or Instagram at mdn.art.studio. Support local, designed with love by MDN Art Studio. Alright, let's get into this. Fun run, fun run, fun run, for all. Okay, I can't. But how many times can one person say fun run before it runs out of fun? I guess that's gonna be tomorrow's side quest. All running jokes aside, I thought I should let y'all know that the Australian government, along with Palau Athletics, is doing, yeah, guessed it, an end of the year fun run, Thursday, December 12th. The route sounds pretty simple, starting at the Australian Embassy to Office of the President in Mayuns and back. Check-in begins at 4:15 p.m. until 5:15 p.m. and the official starting time at 5:30. Take a look at the flyer that should be appearing on the screen now with a QR code to register online. Might I mention that this run has giveaways such as the 30th anniversary notebooks to the first 50 registered participants. If this holiday season is giving ya a run for your money, why not participate in this fun run and possibly receive a fancy schmancy notebook for your Secret Santa? While on the topic of sports, does your New Year's resolution include trying something new? If so, let me just tell you about this upcoming event. Appearing on the screen now, Palau Triathlon Federation presents an annual triathlon challenge, a 2025 Pacific Mini Island Games test event. All the information is on that pretty looking flyer, and while you're looking at that, mark the date on your calendars for Sunday, January 19th, 2025. Just want to take a moment to highlight this upcoming event, a musical fundraiser being presented to you by Palau Mission Academy. Let's pull up the flyer, shall we? Ooh, Journey to Bethlehem. December 8th, 2024, PMA campus at 6 p.m. Tickets are available with PMA students, so don't miss it. Okay, y'all, hang in there. Just one more thing before I go walking in a winter wonderland. One more item on our highlights, I promise. Okay, you know what to do. Pull the lever, crunk! No, not that letter. Okay, there you go. Thank you. Palau Weightlifting Federation fundraising event. So save the date for December 14th at the one and only Aaronwood Park at 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. A race for lifts, $10 barbecue plates, yard sale, live band, music, and more. Let's lift them up because they will be competing in Guam December 21st for the Youth, Junior, Senior Championships, hosted by the Guam Weightlifting Federation. So let's help them out all we can. Alright, That's all for now, folks. I know December has plenty of holiday festivities coming up, so I'll do my best to cover them all. In whatever way you're seeing this, thank you for sticking with me till the end. And I might have missed it, but like I always tell my teacher when I turn in my homework that was due 2 weeks ago, better late than never. In the late spirit of Thanksgiving, thank you all. I am thankful and grateful to have come this far into the year by your side. And I'm looking forward to going out of 2024 and into 2025 with a bang. This won't be the last time we meet, so until then, this is KT and her little friend signing off.